This is how to heel toe spin, toe spin, and heel spin. We'll start with the toe spin. Toe. I'll get back here so you can actually see me. Toe, click. The toe spin is actually the hardest for me. Before I do heel spin. Now for the heel spin. Heel.
There's my knife.
And twist your body. That's my knife.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I took it back from you because you kept chasing people with it.
No.
I'll give it back to you when you can prove to me you can run off. Heel. With your body. I'm the one that bought it and gave it to you. You're not even old enough to have a knife. When I was your age, I actually knew what knives were meant for, not chasing people with it. Now for heel toe spin. Heel toe spin. Same thing, except you're standing on your heel and your toe and spinning. The main thing is to twist your body. Cock yourself a little bit that way and then just and when you're spinning, how to keep going faster is you just keep twisting your body in the direction that you want it to go. But while spinning, you have to face your toe or your heel the way you want it to twist. If you're twisting your body that way, put your heel out that way. Alright, that's how to toe spin, heel toe spin, and heel spin.